Hey guys, in this video I want to explain how the filtration process works on the Intex 18 by 52 pool. This is an above ground setup, 18-foot diameter, 52 inches tall. It has a capacity of about 7,000 gallons, and it comes with this pump right here. This is the SX 2100, and yes, this means that it pumps 2100 gallons per hour. So in just a little over 3 hours, it can pump the entirety of the 7,000 gallons through this system. And if you're new to these Intex pools, I just wanted to go over some of the basics of what's exactly happening. So when you have this all set up, and in following videos I'll show this whole system set up because I'm getting my pool open for summer, but essentially you have an inlet port that goes right to the connectors on your pool. So water will flow in through this way. It's pumping through this pump, and this is can all be set up to be automatic, to run every 12 hours or however many hours you want it to run per cycle. But that's for another video. I just want to explain the process. The water goes through here and then up this, and this will plug in to this. And what this is a sand pump or a sand filter. So the water goes in here, filters through sand, like literal, looks like beach sand, and then comes out of this with crystal clear water. And here's another view. So the water goes from the pump on the inlet side, filters through the sand pump, and then goes out through the outside and then back into your pool. On this is basically like a 5-gallon bucket, if you will. This gauge tells you your pressure, so you can kind of monitor basically as the sand pump filters particles, it's getting more and more dense and blocking water. So naturally the pressure is going to increase, so you want to keep it in the green zone. That covers the water system of how it's actually pumping water. In my opinion, this is a very adequate amount of water to be pumping per hour, given that that's about 30% of your total capacity of your pool. So that is a pretty fast flowing pump. Now what this doesn't do is kill bacteria, kill algae, and all types of organisms to sanitize your pool. This literally just keeps the water clear. The sand pump filters out everything and kind of keeps your water clean and clear. What you still need is either chlorine or salt water. And in the next video, I'm gonna go over what system I use. I use a saltwater system for my pool because I think it's way better than chlorine, but those are the two options. You either have chlorine tablets that you put in, or you run it through a saltwater system. So if you have any questions about this, be sure to leave a comment and I will answer them as quick as I can.